Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm satisfying my sweet tooth. I promised you guys last week to share with you what I'm going to do with the almond pulp. Now there's a lot of things you can do with almond pulp. Every now and then I'll be popping them in my future videos. You can make almond flour out of it. Basically you get the pulp like this and dehydrate it. If you don't have a dehydrator, you just put your oven on the lowest temperature and let it dehydrate for a couple of hours, and then it will dry out, and then that you have your almond flour. I'm going to show you how to make my peanut butter almond balls. I haven't done this before. As you guys know, every time on my channel it's like a new thing. It's me experimenting healthier options for my healthier project comeback. And since I have a sweet tooth, I decided to make myself a little treats that I can just come and bite on every now and then. Over the weekend I actually made some almond brownies and they were really nice, and normally I use banana as a sweetener. Today I'm going to use honey. So we don't need that many ingredients. So I'm going to be using chocolate, and the chocolate I'm going to be using is this dark chocolate that is 74% cacao. So first I melted some peanut butter just so it's easy to mix everything. I know most people use smooth peanut butter, but I kind of like the chunks in the peanut butter. And yeah, so I'm going to use the chunky peanut butter. I'm going to add a pinch of salt because a pinch of salt brings out the taste. Just a little pinch. For the sweetness, I'm just going to use a tablespoon of honey. You can use whatever you want. I was trying to keep this as sugar-free as possible, so you mix it all together so that everything is mixed properly. And then I'm just going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 teaspoons of this almond pulp, and then we mix it all together. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm going to add some coconut oil. So we're going to mix that all together. I'm going to add some little more almond pulp. 6, those are 6, 7. Just I'm adding some more almond pulp just so it becomes a little bit more firm, not watery. I'm going to put this in the freezer so that it can firm up for about 5 minutes. Guys, I just made some fresh almond milk and I'm loving almond milk a lot lately. It's actually the fresh almond pulp we're using. And I find that I like it better like this when it's unsweetened or with any additional flavors like vanilla. I like it plain the way it is. I don't know how you guys like it. You can leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know how you like it, but I personally like it without any kind of additives. And in the meantime, I'm just going to put this chocolate in the microwave. I added a little bit of coconut oil to it, and yeah, I'm just going to pop it in the oven, in the microwave, and make sure, I don't know why I keep saying oven, in the microwave, and let it melt, and then we'll make our balls, and yeah, balls. So I don't have parchment paper, but you can see I made some small balls. This is our melted chocolate and coconut oil. We're going to dip the frozen balls in here. So it's 10 minutes and our balls just came out of the freezer. Oh my god. Well, they're firm. But you have to be careful when you take these off because I didn't have parchment paper. If you have parchment paper, it's easier to take off, but I didn't have any, so I used the plate. So you have to be careful when you're taking them off so they don't break. So yeah, let's just dip them in our chocolate. Okay, now so our bowls are ready. They don't take that long in the freezer. It just takes 5 minutes. Take a look at them. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and try one. Oh, oops, look at that. Oh my god, guys, these bowls are so yum. You need to try them. I cannot start to explain to you how good they are, but they are so amazing. I made 7 bowls and I've eaten 2 already. I don't know if you'll survive the whole day. Maybe next time I'll consider getting some parchment paper because the plate, they stick so much on the plate. Oh my god, guys, these almond peanut butter bowls are amazing. You need to try them, and if you do, please let me know how yours turn out. Don't forget to tag at Madame Bay on Instagram. And yeah, tag me so I can see how yours turned out. But they were so amazing. They are sweet and salty, and not, they have the bitterness from the cacao chocolate, and then they have the salty, and they're crunchy inside. Oh my god, because I didn't use like the smooth peanut butter, I used the chunky peanut butter. I like it chunky. Oh my god, they're so nice. So I'm digging in for the third one. I think I'm going to finish them in one go, guys. Let me just say bye. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any recipes that you would like to see healthier versions of, please leave a comment in the comment section down below and I will do that for you. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and hit on the bell button right next to it to be notified the next time I have a new video. And now I'm going to dig in. Bye guys.